students. Today I am here with a new topic which is mind your manners. Let's start do reading. Able to know about courtesy words. They will greet everyone by saying salam, hello, good morning, etc. Recognize the importance of telling the truth, being honest, speaking politely, being kind, etc. to others. Use sorry, please, excuse me, and thank you in daily life situations. Identify the qualities of good human being. Now we will do reading of these keywords or new words, which is politely, truth, excuse me, respect. So students, let's start reading of the chapter. Adil is late for school today. As he enters the classroom, he says Assalamu alaikum to his teacher. The teachers look at him and ask him politely, why you are late? Adil thinks for a while and decides to tell the truth. He says, I woke up late in the morning, so I could not get to school in time. His teacher is very kind. She says, you should get up early in the morning and being on time. Now please take your seat and do your work. Adil thanks his teacher and says, I will try to be on time next time. So students, look at page number 14. When he goes to sit on his chair, he finds Taha's bag on the chair. Adil says to Taha, excuse me, can you please put your bag aside? Taha says, oh, I'm sorry. He picks up his bag. Adil thanks him, sit on the chair and start doing his work. Adil is a good student. He always work hard. He take care of his things. He always tells the truth. He respects his elders and helps others. These are all good qualities of Adil. Do you respect your elders and help others? Adil is doing his homework. He completes. Assalamualaikum students. Today I am here again with a new topic which is mind your manners. Today we will learn about mind your manners. So students, do you know about mind manners? Okay students, manners are actually etiquettes, like a good behavior. That how will you show good behavior to others and what are the good manners actually. So we will learn these manners, that what are the manners, what are the good manners as well as bad, which we should not do, and as well as good behavior too. But before explaining my topic, I will explain these keywords or new words because it will help or make easy our chapter to us. And what are these uses? It will improve your reading. Again, I will tell you. And its vocabulary will improve your vocabulary along with your concept. Means your concept will be clear regarding this topic. So what are the keywords or new words? So let's read with me. Politely, truth, excuse me, respect, helping. Actually these are a kind which can be included in the manners. Which can be included in the manners. These are a kind of words which we can say it can be included in a good manners. So students, these all were new words and you should learn as well as I explained to you. So students, now come to the topic courtesy word. When we use manner word, then some words come into our minds. Like these are the courtesy words, thank you, please, excuse me, sorry. Whenever you show good manner toward others, you will must use these words. For example, when we give something or accept something from others, or for example, I give gift to my friend, then what will she say? Thank you. And what I will respond to her? Welcome. You welcome. This show a kind of good manner, a respect to other. Okay? And another one is please. On which situation we say please? It's a kind of requested word. For example, you usually said to teacher that please ma'am get aside from board. Actually when we were doing something in front of board, then you can't see, then you say please. Or we said please put this bag, please put this trash in dustbin. So in that kind of situations we use a word please. And then excuse me. Excuse me is a kind of word to being attentive, to make attentions of someone towards yourself. For example, excuse me, can you get aside? Excuse me, can you put a bag from my chair? On that situation we use such kind of words. And sorry, of course, whenever you've done any mistake, or mostly we said that sorry, I can't hear you, then we used a word sorry. Or if I done any mistake, then I apologize to any others that sorry, I did this mistake, sorry for it. And then what we will respond? Oh, it's okay. So these actually are courtesy words which is related to the manners. Because without these words, we can't show good manners to others. Get it? Okay. So students, as we studied or read in a chapter about adils, we will also explain adil's behavior. What kind of adil, what kind of a boy is adil? We will learn about the habits of adil, adil's behavior. And adil actually show us good manners. He show us about good manners as well as bad manners. So we will learn from adil behavior. Actually, adil good habits. What is his good habits? He do hard work. Of course, he do hard work. Whenever he do study or any other thing which link to the positivity, he do it with the hard work. And we also do hard work as adil do. And then when he show respect toward elders. Yes, it is more important thing, because nowadays, to be very honest, I didn't see such people that show respect to elders. Dear students, always show respect to elders, because if you will show respect to elders, then automatically good things will happen to you, because they will do praying for you in turn. And when they will do praying for you, and automatically we will get success. So these show respect toward elders, and he also tried to show us or tell us that you should do respect to elders. Another things, helping others. He always help others. Whenever someone in need, he do helping. Sorry. So actually adils show us about good habit, that how we do good habit. He is very careful boy. Student, it's a very good a good habit of adil, that he is a very careful boy. We usually show carelessly regarding our things, like we lost our pencils, we lost our sharpeners, because of what? Because of carelessly. So be like adil, be careful. Be careful as adil. So try to accept the qualities of adil and inculcate in yourself. Because why he tell us? In order to put in your habits. That's why he shared his good habits to us. And always speak truth, as he always speak truth. He always speak truth as well, and we should speak truth. Whenever, whatever the situations, we should speak truth. So these are a kind of good manners or good behavior, which is related to the manner. And why adil? Adil is actually a source. is a kind of source which tell us about the good behavior. Adil is loved by everyone. Why? Because he's a good boy. Because his habits are too much good. That's why all of people loves Adil, and more people want to friend Adil. If you want more friend, if you want that people appreciate you, if you want that people love you, then you have to adopt his qualities, Adil's qualities. And then you will become a successful boy. So, students, now this was all about mind your manners. Hope so you will learn it. Thank you. Today I am here once again with the same topic, but we will do the exercise portion as we have done explanation and reading. But now we will do exercise, and the exercise include question answer and filling the blanks. But we will proceed first toward question answer. So students, open your books, page number 15. As you can see, we will do the question answer portion first. As you can see, the first question, why is Adil late for school? As you can see on board, why is Adil late for school? But student, I will tell you again that these are one word answer. You can give answer or right answer on the same place as the questions written in book. So students, why is Adil late for school? Adil late for school because he woke up late. He woke up late. So students, this is the answer of first question. And now move towards second question. Think of your good qualities and write any two. So students, now you have to think and then write your good qualities. What it could be? The first one would be helping other. It can be general mostly. And the B one is speaking truth. Is there a lot of good qualities in a good human, but we will just mention two. So student, this was all about question answer. Now let's move toward filling the blanks. So students, the blanks are also mentioned on the same page. As you can see, these are the choose the correct words. Question number B. As you can see, question number B, fill in the blanks with courtesy words given in the word bank. Mean you have to choose the right option, the correct options among. As you can see, the first one, your dress look nice. Looks nice. As you can see on board, your dress look nice. So we will pick from these words. Sorry, thank you, please, excuse me. Which one? You have to pick one and the right option. So here we will write your dress look nice. When someone praise you, then you say thank you. So we will write the right option, thank you. And the another one is, can I have cup of tea? Which one will you put? Sorry, thank you, please, or excuse me. So mostly we say, can I have cup of tea, please? So we will write please over there. Understand? And third one is dash. I have lost your pencil. Now you have to put the right option here. So mostly we said sorry. Sorry, I have lost your pencil because it's done by mistake. Okay. Can you get in me, student? The fourth one, can I sit here? Dash. Can I sit here? So what we say first? Excuse me, can I sit here? So these were all about blanks. So students, these were all about good manners. I hope so you will learn new words, new ideas, new thinking point of view as well. So learn it and take care of yourself. Yes, students. One thing more, homework, which is very necessary for your recalling, for your memories. So students, I would like to give you a homework which is the words, new words, you have to recall new words, and one activity as well. Search work page, worksheet, and then you have to fill related to this topic. You have to do worksheet activity by own self related to topic. This is your creative homework. I hope you will do it. Topic is mind your manners. You have to search the worksheet related to mind your manners. And then you have to fill this. This is your homework. So students, it was all about the mind your manners, and thank you.